You got the mostest?
Uh-huh. Look at that!
It's coming down like a bunch of crazy dogs. Man, it's bad. But the kids are having fun. Yeah, we're not having a snowball fight. Oh, you got my head. I got him real good, didn't I, boy? Oh, look here. Look here. Look at your face. Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Stop!
All right, let's get inside.
No, wait, one more.
You won't dare. Oh.
Not a big one. Then.
Oh.
Oh.
You have a snowball in your pocket.
How do you find? Are you building? Stop!
Oh, you hit my head.
Stop!
Look, you have one in your pocket. Let me get it out of your pocket. Wait. You got a snowball in your pocket.
Wait, I found a big one. Stay still.
Went over my head.
Oh my goodness. This one.
Missed me.
Hey. That. Ooh.
Oh, that one got my head.
Good? Uh-huh. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. This man left. Hey, Dad, come on out here. Come on out. Daddy! Daddy!
Yes.
Throw a snowball at me.
You want me to throw a snowball at you?
Yeah.
I'd be happy to do that.
Hey! This is what you get.
Where'd she go? There she is. Do you love the snow?
Yeah.
Who made the snow?
God.
He sure did. Oh! Did he make snowballs to throw at Daddy?
Yeah.
He sure did, didn't he?
Uh-huh.
Did you know that every snowflake is different?
Yeah. Did you know you could even make a snowball? Then you could even paint it inside?
You can?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Because I did it last year. I'm eating snow, everybody.
Oh, hey, a little yellow in it. You know what it means when the snow's yellow?
No.
Does it taste better when it's yellow like that?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna go on my swing.
Oh my. What do we have here, Stella?
So this is my name.
How do you spell that?
S-T,
E.
E-O-O-A.
And that spells?
Stella.
All right, it's the day after, and it was a pretty bad snowstorm, and this is all ice, as you can hear it. And there's Edward. We're trying to get this driveway cleaned up, breaking up the ice. It's a complete whiteout.
What did you say?
I said it's a whiteout. Lots of snow. Snowplow gifted us with a bunch of curb snow. Man, and that's all ice. I don't even know if we can get in and out with that. Look at that. What's up?
The only way we can drive through this is we got to get all of this out of the way.
That's what I'm thinking. See, I need one of those right there.
What?
Big old truck.
We don't have one.
I'm talking about a Big Daddy truck. All right, back to work. Edward and I working hard, working up a sweat in 25-degree weather. This one is requiring a shovel, like a real deal shovel, not a snow shovel. Whew. All right, so driveway, 3/4 way done, but it's just chunks of ice. It's just chunks of ice. Look at that. Look at this. Just ice, baby. Had a couple branches out back fall down. One hit the window, busted the screen, just put a hole in it. But look at this. Look at that. Just ice. You can't go a winter without a snowman or, for 2025, Iceman. So we did an Iceman. Kind of looks like an alien. All right, I did one at the neighborhood entryway too. Old Pinky. Ice Girl Pinky.
Yeah.
My love for you is cold. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
It's a chunk of ice found in the yard. Ooh. Oh my.
It's going to be some of your money when you're buying the house. So you know this, you're buying it. It means we got to take some money to pay for it. Okay? 100.
When you look, so you see that car? And you want to to the car.
Who's this little thing up here? There's Abby! Hey, Abby! You having fun in the snow? Boy, it's crazy out here, isn't it? My car was just pulling in the subdivision and about wrecked.
Really?
Yep, kid you not. Now, I need you to go ahead and get all the driveway cleaned up for me, okay? Get to work now. Ooh, what'd you just do?
Broke it.
Let's see. Abby's got a karate move, kids. Ooh!
Got a big piece.
Ooh.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Oh no!
Mom. Oh, it's fun to fall down.
I say we get a picture, family photo. One, what do they call those? Oh.
It's not me over. Hey, Edward. Yeah. Don't fight. I'm gonna get.
been working hard. Ooh, down he goes.
This bad boy.
A pool brush. Well, I guess I could have gotten you a shovel, son.
What?
I could have gotten you a shovel. Day 3. Starting to snow again. Looks like the roads are starting to get covered again. It's not letting up much. Kids are sledding. Here we go. What do you think about that? You wanna...
Edward, I'm gonna do it, but can you be on this one? Cause that has much more room.
Don't do it, Edward.
All right, she don't want to go. Go ahead, Edward.
All right, are you ready?
Daddy, I'm gonna push Dad. He's too heavy. No. Bye, Dad. Come on, so how about you go? You do? This one? Yeah, you do. Let's race. Ready?
You ready? Here we go. Here she goes. Hold on tight. Oh my goodness. Oh, Edward crashed. Look at you. That's a record. Kaylin, that's a record. That was fun. So yesterday was the final day of snow, but looks like it's still snowing now. But notice Old Glory. Look at that. It's amazing. Gonna shovel today. Looks like the Iceman's still held up. Sure is pretty, even though it wreaks a lot of havoc. God is good. He brings the snow. He is faithful. And that was the snowstorm of 2025. We still got February. We'll see what that holds. See ya.